Good morning mga Lakwatsera. We are here in Tanawan viewing deck in the mountainside area of municipality of Karkar, and this is an obelisk, no, in honor of Chief Justice Jose Abad Santos. This was built in honor of former Chief Justice. He was a Chief Justice between the year 1886 to 1942. Ayan. Then let's check the place. Napakaganda ng view dito, especially this time in the morning. Look at the view. There you are. There is a very eerie, or should I say, horrifying story about this Tanawan view deck, no? There was a crime, they even called it a crime of a century, tungkol sa case ng Chong sisters. And allegedly, one of the sisters was thrown here by the perpetrators. The convicted perpetrators was son of a Skyon, Osmania, and the other one was a son of owner of university, Southwestern University. It is somewhere here, it was told, na itinapon yung bangkay ng isa sa dalawang magkakapatid na Chong sisters dito sa area na to. And that is the obelisk built in honor of former Chief Justice Jose Abad Santos. Ayan. Maraming pumupunta dito to take pictures kasi nga napakaganda yung view ng lugar. This is still part of the city of Karkar, known as the heritage city of the south. Welcome to Mantayupan Waterfalls, no? This is the highest waterfalls in the province of Cebu. It has two falls. The highest one is 98 meters in height, and the other one is 14 meters in height. The falls help especially ang mga inhabitants dito sa Barili because it's hydraulic. They provide electrification to the inhabitants here in Barili, at the same time provide water for the rice paddies sa mga farmers natin. Kaya pasukin natin ang Mantayupan Waterfalls here in municipality of Barili. Okay.
Panguna?
Okay, yeah. Okay, pagpasok natin dito, you need to pay for the entrance fee. It's 50 pesos. Ayan, ito mga life vest na to, this is advice for you to use, lalo na sa mga gagamit talaga sa falls. Ito, you need to pay your entrance here. And this is the dining area. Ito. May mga rooms din sila available if you want to stay here. Yan. And this is, hello, good morning. Yeah, this is the dining area here. Dito tayo kumakain. You can order your food or buy your food here. And it's Christmas na. So, napaka-convenient ng lugar. You pay your entrance, you buy your food, you could stay overnight here, you can order for your food. Inana, okay, inana lang. Ayaw, sulit kayo mabunggal sa camera. Okay, mga Lakwatsera, ito yung hanging bridge nila connecting from entrance to the Mantayupan Falls. Pero, halika, dati tayo. Ito yung dating bridge, kaya lang it got rusty, nasira na siya, kaya pinalitan siya ng kahoy na bridge. First, this is the first layer ng falls. Ito yung 14 feet na falls, no? Bali, tatlo sila. Yan. So, dito, yan, no? Yan ang mga waterfalls. Yan. Ito sa mababa pa lang, ha? Ito isa pa. Yan. Remember mga Lakwatsera, nandito lang tayo ngayon pa lang sa sa first layer kasi dalawang layer to, ha. Oh. This is the old bridge na nasira kasi sa tagal na panahon na na siya, it got rusty. Then this is the waterfalls, the first layer waterfalls. Then ito din ang mga waterfalls na first layer, mga 14 feet in height, surrounded with lush of green, no? Mga malalaking mga kahoy. Yan, napakalaking mga kahoy na yan. And this is the bridge. Papunta na tayo ngayon sa taas. Papunta na tayo sa main waterfalls, yung pinakamataas na waterfalls. Welcome to Mantayupan Waterfalls! This is the highest waterfalls in the province of Cebu, 98 feet in height, and it's one of the very popular tourist destination in the province, located in the municipality of Barili. Mantayupan Waterfall. Thank you. come Sinulog Festival, no? Sinulog month of January. Bisita na kayo sa Mantayupan Waterfalls, around 70 kilometers southeast of the province of Cebu, sa municipality of Marilin. It's senior citizen friendly ang lugar. Napakabait ng staff. Hanapin mo si, ano pangalan mo na? Yeah, the name is, our lifeguard is Michael Lucien. Basta hanapin nyo si Michael. He gets very good photos. Napakabait. Matutulungan talaga kayo. At the same time, you can document beautifully your stay here kasi magaling si Michael kumuha ng mga videos. At the same time, it's friendly to the senior citizen. Kaya puntahan nyo na ang Mantayupan Waterfalls. You can stay overnight here, you can dine here, you can swim here. Hanapin nyo lang si Michael. Okay, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my Mamita Lakwatsera YouTube channel for more exciting, the best of Cebu, places that you need to visit. Lalo na ngayong malapit na ang Sinulog. When you come here, alam nyo na kung saan kayo pupunta. Put it in your bucket list, Mantayupan Waterfalls. Hanapin nyo si Michael. Thank you very much, and to God be the glory. Thank you.